Welcome to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. Today, I will be making Nigerian Fisherman Soup. This soup brings back sweet memories from Nigeria. It was my go-to pregnancy treat. So join me as I recreate this flavorful seafood-packed soup with my own touch. The ingredients are shrimps, mussels, squid, and of course our fish, marinated with some peppers, Jemies soup spice, and salt to taste. Few hours before use. For the wet ingredients, we have the habanero pepper. This will be mashed. We also have a sliced red onion, sliced spinach, and 3/4 cup of palm oil. Then for the dried ingredients, we have a crayfish, we have Knorr cubes, we have a scent leaf, also known as isham. We have Oziza seeds, Jemies soup spice, and oats grounded as the thickener, then salt to taste. First, I will add the palm oil, 3/4 cup, into the pot, and I'll add my onion, crayfish, like Jemies seasoning, I'll add my peppers, habanero peppers. So I don't have a fish stock, so I'm adding like about 4 cups of water to this. So I'll be grinding my Oziza seeds with my grinder. I'll add the Oziza seeds now into. So I'll be adding my fish. And the other seafood. So I'm adding my scent leaves now, then chamu. So I'll cover this to cook for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes has passed, so I'll remove the fish so I can add it back after adding the thickener so it doesn't break. I'm making my thickener from the oat. I'm adding the thickener now. So it's now thick, good consistency. So I will reintroduce the fish. So I'm reintroducing the fish. Time to add my spinach. This is optional. Just adding some color to it. Our Nigerian Fisherman Soup is ready to be served. Remember to subscribe, like, and share so you can be receiving these flavorful recipes from Spice and Simplicity with Julie.